Hello, welcome. This is blockchainbloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Untitled Chapter, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that Bitcoin can actually have a great week, and there's a good possibility that September will be very bullish for Bitcoin. The second news, I will show you how Bitcoin behaved right before the bull market back in 2016 and around 2017. So these kind of pullbacks, these kind of drops what we just had, it's nothing compared to that, and we were in the bull market. And the third news will be about quality altcoins, which actually went down a lot on the last week, and therefore, actually, maybe to collect some of them, it will be a good idea before the next bull run. And I will show you which are the alts I think could perform pretty well in the close future. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel but are interested in blockchain and cryptocurrency, you should click on this subscribe button here on YouTube, next to it on the notification bell, so you get the videos as soon as they're out. I put these videos every weekday on YouTube, so from Monday to Friday you're getting the freshest and hottest, crispiest blockchain and cryptocurrency news. You can stay with us up to date, and you should also follow us on Twitter and Facebook and Instagram. And I have a free course for you. It's all about how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. The link is right under the video. I give it for you for free, and it contains a lot of valuable information. So I think you shouldn't really miss it. And now let's jump in and check out how the cryptocurrency market looks like. So Bitcoin, it's right now at $10,177. And this is a 0.59% decrease. Ethereum is at $345, which is a 0.18% increase. And it's great that Bitcoin stayed around this level above 10,000. It's very good. It wasn't going down. It went under 10,000, but it came back. And when we're looking at the winners, we have Ocean Protocol 20%, we have Ampliford 15%, UMA 15%, and look, a lot of green guys. And check out the losers. We have Hedge Trade minus 17%, Hyperion minus 3%, Reserve Rife minus 3%. And when we're looking at all the others, now it looks much better as it looked a couple of days ago, or even before yesterday. And now it's time to check out the first news. And it's all about that Bitcoin is braced for a massive week. Why is that? First of all, in September, everything is back on track. People coming back from holidays, and they're focusing more on the life. Check out the business year starts. Check out all the investments, what they would like to invest in. They're seeing what's happening right now with the stimulus checks, with the dollar price. So many things are going on, and what we can see that the reason why people investing in gold and other safe assets is because they're afraid of the dollar continues to decreasing. Even if it was a pump back, it's not for long term. The value of the dollar is decreasing just because of the fact that the Fed is printing more and more. So obviously, it will lead to an inflation, and it will continue what just has started. But, it was a nice little bit pump in the dollar price. But definitely, we can see that people collecting Bitcoin, and this makes Bitcoin actually very bullish in the close future. September could be actually very great for Bitcoin. What just happened last week? This kind of dump, it wasn't actually major in Bitcoin. It was obviously bigger in altcoins. It's always altcoins pump harder and dump harder than Bitcoin, whatever happens to Bitcoin. But now it really looks like, and the question is, has the dump reached its bottom? Because if it has, then it's a great news, because Bitcoin could stay above 10,000. But there is a scenario, of course, the possibility that Bitcoin can go under 10,000, maybe go down to 9,500. But it's more likely right now that this was the dump. Maybe it's the end of it, and then it will turn to positive, and again hunting 12,000 as a new target, going back to it. And today is Labor Day, so after Labor Day, I'm very curious what's going to happen tomorrow. Definitely in the next couple of days, we will see which direction Bitcoin is going. But many experts say that in early September, Bitcoin is going to be bullish. So this is definitely positive news, but we will see. But obviously, in every day I'm making you a new video here on YouTube, every weekday. So whatever happens, I keep you up to date. And the second news I wanted to show you. Let's talk a little bit about Bitcoin's history, but I don't want to go back a lot, just back before the bull market in 2016. But because we can see these drops, what just happened last week, which scares the hell out of a lot of people, that, whoa, what's happening, especially looking at the oils, whoa, that's crazy. But looking at the price, check this out. Back in 2016, back in May, Bitcoin is at $453. And then it starts to go up, it reaches, doubles, kind of Bitcoin almost doubles, and in what? Less than a month. And then what's happening? It drops down here, and then look, in August, end of the summer, what ended? Beginning of August, not that, it goes back to 500. It went up and down, it's crazy. Then it continues and goes up very, very smoothly. And then here, bang, from again, reaching its all-time high, kinda. And then, whoa, look at that, going back to 1,130. And right after it, it's just falling down here to, what's that? Again, back around 800. It's again a massive drop. And this is back in 2016. Look, let's move a little bit further. What's happening? You could see here this 800. And then, whoa, it's going up, going up, going up. Look, it actually reached to, what's that, 1,800? Let's go a bit more further. Yeah, it was here somewhere. See? And then, look, even it's reaching, back in 2017, in June, $3,000. After that, what a pullback. It goes back under $2,000. It's more than a 30% decrease. And again, what? In 11th of June, July, in a month, a bit more than a month, it dropped 30%. We are in, during this kind of pre-bull market period. But from that, look, it came back, again, all-time high, and the new thing, almost 5,000. Almost 5,000. And then look. Okay, it moved now. So we were here, right? Almost 5,000. And then after that, again, a significant drop back to 3,000. What is that? Again, a 30% drop. And then look, again, up, and then even here at 7,000 and back to under 6,000. And okay, I don't want to go really step by step because you all know what happened. Because then, not that much later, it's reached 20,000. So I just wanted to point out, because being in the bull market, and we are actually haven't entered it yet, because first Bitcoin has to really reach its all-time high. This, what we're seeing, it's a very, very normal thing. And if you're living it in every day, that's, it can freak you out. What, 30% drop? We haven't seen that actually in the last week in Bitcoin. It was nothing close to that. But even if these things happen, check it out. How many times happened that in the past? And then it just went up, okay? So the reason why I wanted to show you that, don't worry, think in a long term. Think in long term, and then these kind of things won't affect you. Don't stress about it. Okay, And now let's move on to the third news, and this will be all about quality projects, which I'm thinking are on a great discount now. So for example, we have AVE, which is, the land, the token. And check it out. AVE was back. It's a very nice quality project in DeFi. And if you have good big projects, because not a small one, because the market cap is almost 700 million, but this is kind of the safe haven in DeFi, put it this way. When you're looking for a safer project, which is not like a very new one, it's something which has put a lot on the table already. So in these projects, you hardly see any big discounts because look, they're just going up and up and up. But now we have one. So actually it dropped down almost 30 something %, okay, in 7 days. That's actually pretty nice compared to the project, what the project is offering and what the quality it is. And this is the AVE's website, the money market protocol. AVE is an open source and non-custodial protocol, enable creation of money markets, and the users can earn interest on deposit and borrow assets. So actually, it's a great DeFi protocol. And when you're looking at the DeFi pools, Uniswap doesn't have a token yet, right? So the second one on the list right now, AVE, and it has a token. It has a token which, look, in 19 days period, it went down significantly. But before it was performing like crazy. So this is just an idea. What I'm just telling you now, all these tokens, not financial advice. You do your own homework, your own research. I just point out products, tokens, which are right now on a discount price. Now we had this nice dump. Maybe before the next bullish period. And it's maybe good idea to consider these projects. Maybe collect some of these tokens a bit. Look, then we have the next one. The next one I have here, Swipe. Swipe is, basically a crypto card. We have crypto.com. That's, already massive. But here is Swipe. And now crypto cards, with crypto getting more and more popular, definitely have a great future because people want to use crypto with fiat back and forth. And they do need these tools, and they're looking for quality things, and this is one of them. So I think Swipe, it's very nice. And look, when we look at Swipes in 90 days, it moved crazy. It went up to almost $5, right? Almost. And then look where is it now? It went down to 160, but even now, right now, it's at 172. So I think it has a great potential, and you never should buy here in the rally. Look, it came down very nicely. Okay, next project. Next project is POSIC. I talked already in my videos about POSIC, which I think it's a great thing because, again, adds something to this whole blockchain industry. It's you can trigger things in blockchain for companies. It's like Zapier a little bit. And in the real world, when you have this automated email things and all these things. And here, this is what is it doing in blockchain. And again, when you check out POSIC, then look at this, 90 days. It went up to 0.36 and now is at even the price is going down, 0.13. So this is definitely a use case what people going to use. More and more blockchain products are out there. Projects. And to have this tool, it's a great thing. And look, it has just actually started. Go back here. Starting date is in August, so it's a new one. It went up very nicely because it adds really something to the industry. Now it went down because everything went down, but I think it has great potential to go up. The next one, band protocol. I've talked about band protocol, even if it was just 127. That was the first time I have mentioned band protocol in a very early stage. It's an Oracle service, just like Chainlink, the big brother. And now look at this. I know it's not 127 as it was before, but look, it went up to $17, right? It's $17 since I have talked about it. And now it went sideways and back again, and now dropped with all the others. And right now you have it at $8. It's compared to that more than 50% down from its price. And this project is also just about to, gain. So it's not a very small one anymore as it used to be, because it has an $186 million market cap. But it's still time to grow. And here you can see. So basically, it's an Oracle service, connects smart contract with the real world data. And then we have, of course, I should mention Chainlink. This is the big brother. This is the big guy now in this Oracle market, the number one. And it's a huge market cap here. You can see if it's already 5 billion. But still, I want to point out the price. That look, it was $20 almost. Now it's back to 12, and actually even before around 10. So it also dropped 50%. Such a great project. So I'm just want to make you focus what is happening right now in the market. When is the time to actually buy? I'm not saying that these projects cannot go further down. Yes, it's possible. But if you're collecting something, you should collect something which is valuable, which has the great potential to grow. And not just one of them which, it's made from one day to another, like these food projects now, hot dogs and sushi and all these others, because they pump and down, but it's nothing really behind it. Nothing which you would say this is a true value. And in my opinion, this is definitely one. And then we have here Fusion. Fusion, it's all about interoperability solution. And what is that? So basically, just the same what Polkadot and Cosmos is doing. Polkadot, became like very big, and people focusing on Cosmos. But Fusion is doing the same thing, and people just not even watching that. But actually, if you check their Twitter page, they delivering, because the most important things, whatever projects here you look at, they keep delivering, putting out new things. And this is the key to growth. Then you have some potential in the project. And look, Fusion, when you look at the max, it came down, and it's still really undervalued in my opinion. And now it actually, because of this crash, what happened now in the last week, even because of that, it came down a bit more. It went up, but now it came back. So again, something which is maybe worth to look at, because what it's doing, it's definitely the future with Polkadot and others. And these could be the three big players, Polkadot, Fusion, and Cosmos. And right now, Fusion is the smallest because it has a 27 million market cap. It's a small one, right, compared to the others, what they have reached. So I hope I could show you some great opportunities. Not financial advice, but check these out, because you would like to invest in things which are valuable and have a future. All of them, of course, can be vanished from the map. This is crypto, but more likely that these projects will grow than those who just came out from one day to another, no work behind it, and just make a quick pump and dump, okay? So this is just my opinion. You decide. Guys, if you like the content, then smash the like button. I highly appreciate it. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're gonna get the freshest and hottest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. Every weekday, I put in a brand new video here on YouTube, Monday to Friday. Every day you're getting the coolest and best news about blockchain and crypto. And definitely download our free course. The link is right under this video, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. A lot to learn from this course. Now the bull market is sooner or later about to start, and you want to be ready, safe, protect your data, protect your crypto. All the answers in this course for you. Thanks a lot for watching. Obviously, tomorrow coming back with the newest video, another video with all about crypto and blockchain and the hottest news. Have a good one. Bye-bye.